Hello and welcome to this short video on the Midi Max baby kit stand. Do you love your aluminum kit stands, but find they are a bit lightweight for some heavier lifting, and you need something that is just a little more, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh yeah, ballsy. This old metal 4-section stand folds down to 38.6 inches for storage and transportation. It has an operating range from 41.3 to a respectable 137.8 inches, with a weight of 12.3 pounds and an impressive load capacity of 28.7 pounds. You won't see any rivets on this stand. The Midi Max baby kit stand features nut and bolt construction. The top riser features a solid steel baby 5/8 inch pin welded on the top riser. This stand features heavy-duty aluminum brake castings for extra strength and smooth operation. This stand also sports signature KUPO aluminum knobs. The Midi Max baby kit also features a knob on the lower spider casting, so the main riser section can be lowered independently from the base for a fourth point of contact with the ground. Let's see if the stand can support a fully rigged boom. With the weight of the boom itself, the counterweight, and the light, the total load is nothing for this stand. Yep, just as I thought, the stand is solid as a production day is long. Let's raise the bar, the boom a touch. For a strong, safe steel kit stand that will last decades and survive the rigors of production, the KUPO Midi Max baby kit stand is a precision-crafted soldier that keeps working where lesser stands may falter. Pick up a few today and make your production easier. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO, we like to say, never let go.